Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, finally we have here, a mid-range, affordable smartwatch in the market. What we have here is the Glory Fit Smartwatch QS08 model. Okay, so we are going to check on this. It's a bit popular for those who are looking for an affordable mid-range wearable. Okay, so we are going to have the unboxing, checking of its specs, as well as the features of the smartwatch. So if you have any questions about this smartwatch, the Glory Fit smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Okay, so let's start unboxing the smartwatch. As you can see here, smartwatch full touch, and we have some preview of the specs here. We do have a 1.72 inch IPS heart rate. It also supports Bluetooth call and information reminder. Okay, so let's check. Okay, let's have the wearable. Okay, so again, the contents we have here, the box, and we have the sporty strap. Okay, pretty good. It has a quick release pin. We have a steel buckle here to secure. So where's the we have here the user manual, version 01. Okay, seems like it is in Japanese, I'm not sure. And we have the user guide here, in English. So we have the QR code for the application, and let's see what type of charging cable is this. Okay, USB. It is a charging cradle. Okay, and we have the smartwatch. Okay, so far seems like it looks elegant. Okay, we're considering the very affordable price of this Glory Fit smartwatch. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. We have a PC material back cover here, and let me check. Okay, so we have a metal, I think it is a zinc alloy body frame here. We have a push button here, so it's not a crown button but a push button. Okay, 2.5D screen display or glass protection. Okay, so this one, so if you want to charge, okay, so here's the sensor. What's this? I think maybe this is an ECG or something, or maybe a temperature monitoring. There's a metal plate here. Okay, so this one is for the heart rate. This one, it's either an ECG or a temperature monitoring. We'll see on the specs. Okay, so that is how you charge the wearable. Okay, it's not magnetic. And where's the strap? Let's attach the strap for the smartwatch. Okay, so let's remove it. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch and the strap. Again, it is a quick release pin. Okay, so very easy to attach. Okay, oops. Okay, so the hole is very small. Oh, oops. Okay, the hole for this one is very small on this part. Okay, I guess we did it. Okay, that we will not be able to attach it. Okay, usually with a quick release pin, the strap is very easy to attach. Okay, this one is very tight. Okay, but I'm pretty sure we'll manage to attach the strap. Okay, you heard the click, and that's it. Okay, so looking good so far. Let's weigh in. Let's check the weight of the wearable. Okay, so 00. So it is around 41.94 grams. Okay, so with the strap attached. Okay, for the specs here, so we have here the specifications. Okay, as you can see here, we do have a 1.72 inch. Okay, screen display, TFT LCD with a 320 by 380 pixel resolution. So the battery is 300 mAh, Bluetooth 5.2. Okay, so here are the features. Okay, the support app is of course Glory Fit. We have a Bluetooth call. Okay, we have heart rate monitoring. I don't know if we do have a blood pressure. It's not stated here. Okay, so we will check. Okay, so we have here music player. Okay, full touch screen. Okay, so let's check on the contents of this wearable. Let's see if we still have power. If not, we'll charge the wearable. Seems like we still have. Okay, again, this is the Glory Fit smartwatch. Download the app to bind the watch. Okay, so we have here the menus. Let's see. Steam. Okay, let's pick this one. Okay, so this is the home. Okay, and we change the screen display here. Okay, we can change. So let's pick how many watch faces do we have. Okay, so we have several watch faces here. Let's pick this one. Okay, as you can see here, it's a bit wide on the bottom for the border, but on this side, the other side, left and right, it's just okay. Okay, so this one, does it work? No, just see push button, return button, and power home button. Okay, so this is on the bottom part. We do have the notification. On the upper part, we have the quick settings. Okay, on this side, we have the different menus and features. So we do have the phone, training, status, heart rate, BP, okay, SpO2 monitoring, we have sleep, weather, and we have, yes, that's it, temperature. Okay, so I guess the temperature function, I guess the sensor here is for the temperature function, this one. Okay, we have message, alarm, breath training. I don't know what this is. Okay, I will check. We have alarm, settings, voice assistant. For the more, let's check on this. We have stopwatch, also have a timer, find, and flashlight. So that's it for the more section. Okay, we have at least 4. For the settings, we have the watch face, theme. Theme is the multiple menu options. Okay, let's go back. I think you have to, that is grid. Okay, this is the list. Okay, voice assistants, bright screen, information reset, power off button, QR code. Okay, let's check on the other. Okay, for the sports, let's check. We have running, cycling, skipping, badminton, table tennis. We also have a tennis, alpinism, something like a hiking. We have walking, basketball, football, baseball, volleyball, cricket, rugby, hockey, dancing, spinning bike, yoga, sit-ups, treadmill. We also have here gymnastic, boating, jumping jack. Whoa! It has a comprehensive list of sports function here. Integrated training, outdoor walk, indoor run, strength training, step training, horse riding, elliptical trainer, tai chi. We also have a shuttlecock, boxing, indoor walk, trail running. Okay, so we have a very good list of different sports functions, as you can see. Okay, let's try one. Okay, for example, okay, let's have this one, stairs. Okay, it's counting and go. So it monitors for the time, I guess the heart rate, and calories. Okay, no, I don't see any steps. Okay, how about let's check other sports here, if it will count for the, oh, that is Australian football. Let's check other sports function here. Walking, okay, running. Let's see. So it calculates for the steps, distance, and time. Okay, let's stop. Okay, for the heart rate, let's see the graph. So we also have a graph here, and I do believe that this is the high and minimum. Okay, so let's check. Let's just have a preview of the heart rate. In our succeeding videos, so next videos, we'll have a complete check of the heart rate monitoring, as well as other features here. So 88 beats per minute, we have it here. Okay, so far we have a lot of functions and features here, as you can see. Also have temperature, alarm, okay, settings, and voice assistant. Okay, and it's already preloaded with different watch faces. Okay, just long press and you can select other watch faces here. So this one is the graph. Okay, again, long press. Okay, so we have brightness adjustment here, okay, and other details. Okay, so that's it for our Glory Fit, okay, smartwatch. Again, it is a medium range, okay, affordable smartwatch. Okay, so we have here again the specs. Okay, let me check the specs here. So it runs the processor RTL 8763EW, 1.72 inch TFT, 320 by 380 pixel resolution, 300 mAh, Bluetooth version 5.2, IP67, Glory Fit application. And we have here compatibility 9.0 and above, Android 4.4 and above platform. And we have here some of the features. Okay, so again, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.